Assalamu Alaikum, friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to deliver a speech on Independence Day. So, without being delay, let's start. Assalamu Alaikum, honorable chief guest, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. At the very beginning, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day from the bottom of my heart. I am thankful to share my voice on an auspicious occasion of the memorable day. I am proud of the heroes whose sacrifices gave us the opportunity to stand below the independent flag, and we feel lucky by addressing ourselves as an independent Indian. I repeat, we are lucky cause we are independent. Only they know how is dependent who were fighting for freedom. We must remember our brave freedom fighter on this day. We celebrate this day to commemorate our freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and many more. Friends, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Our country got freedom in 1947 this day from British rule. And on this historical day, the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hosted Indian national flag in Red Fort for the first time in Delhi to celebrate Independence Day. This victory flag gave a peaceful breath to every Indian soul. From that day, the Prime Minister of India hosts national flag on every Independence Day. On this day, we host national flag on each government and private institutions. Every citizen's duty is to show respect the national flag. The colors in our national flag represents different meaning. Saffron signifies peace and truth. Green signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies faith and chivalry. There is an Ashok Chakra in the center which signifies progress and intelligence. Standing together below the flag shows we are Indian, no one is Hindu or Muslim. When the people started to unite addressing as an Indian and started freedom movement against British, only then indicated independent India. But bad luck, we forgot our past, and as a result, we are living in independent society, but we can't argue we're independent. We are fighting each other in the name of religious polarization by victim of any political conspiracy, etc. I pray on this day to Lord that may all Indians not be allowed to fight each other in the name of religions or by victim of any political conspiracy. In this occasion, I greet to all the brave heroes who did not thought for a while about their family and sacrificed their lives to save our motherland. Greet to them who hurt a lot for freedom of our country. I greet to the mothers who sacrificed their sons, daughters for freedom of our motherland. And I again greet to the leading heroes who led freedom movements and finally we got freedom. Greet to every soldiers at borders who are preserving our freedom. Greet to every soldiers inside the country, police, administration, farmer, teacher, students, labor, politicians who raise their hand for country. Parents by allowing their children to studying, and all the persons who do their duty sincerely. I, being an Indian, I, being a student, I, being a son of this motherland, feel proud to be an Indian. Lastly, I hope the people of India be the best, cause सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. जय हिंद.